we actually have our book created, and what I want to do is go ahead and go out to my home and look at my Tales. And there you're going to see my actual book. And I'm going to go here to play and see what it looks like. Click on play. Click on that. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. There was an old lady who swallowed a bird. I don't know why she swallowed a bird. Okay, so there you go. That's the book. That's what happens. That's how you create it, which is really simple. But let's look at our other options. Notice that I've got edit Tales. So if I wanted to go back and add more to it, I could do that. Or let me go back, go to my Tales. I can also, it says purchase a downloadable MP4 for There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly, which is 99 cents. Now, what good would this be? If you wanted to do this, basically that would help. If you had an MP4 of this, you could possibly put this in maybe on your iPads if you had iPads, or if you had a class blog, or if you wanted to create your own iBooks, I could see that. And for 99 cents, that wouldn't be too bad. That's not a bad price at all. So, I mean, that is an option, but it's not necessarily necessary. Don't have to do that. Let's go back to my Tales and click on PDF. So it actually downloads this as a PDF, which is awesome because guess what? Portfolio. You guessed it. You can actually let the kids create this and put it in the portfolio, which is really, really, really nice. So, I mean, I know I said this is for K2 kids, but I mean, even though, I mean, yeah, it looks like a little baby up here because of the little bird, but I mean, this is something that I think third graders would like, and fourth and fifth might even like it. I don't know, but definitely something that would be nice. So let's look at some of the other options in our next video so that we can really make the most out of what we do with this this work.